Hello everyone, my name is Nikol Tellez Silva. I am part of the English Phonetics course group 103 and today I will share a video about consonant and vowel sounds. Us in thousand. Us in this. Us in very. Us in red. Us in sheep. Us in usual. Us in lunch. Us in July. Us in dancing. Us in house. Us in believe. Us in which. Us in get. Us in bad. Us in part. Us in on. Us in door. Us in book. Us in shoe. Us in up. Us in first. Us in teacher. Us in day. Us in time. Us in point. Us in brown. Us in home. Us in here. Us in hair. Us in cure. 3 brave chefs share fresh fish in the village. The young judge and the shy singer choose a pot near the river. A happy dragon jumps and hums under the hot sun. They hear a strange voice and chase it through the narrow road. Thank you for your attention.